I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you found yourself locked out of your eBay shop after a dispute, follow these steps to get back up and running. Step 1. Review the dispute details. Check the specifics of the dispute that led to your shop being locked. Understanding the issue is crucial for resolving it effectively. Step 2. Communicate with the buyer. Reach out to the buyer involved in the dispute. Sometimes, a simple conversation can lead to a resolution and the buyer may agree to withdraw the claim. Step 3. Submit required documentation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact eBay support. If you're unable to resolve the dispute directly with the buyer, contact eBay support for assistance. Be prepared to provide all relevant details and documentation. Step 5. Wait for resolution. After submitting your information, wait for eBay to review the case. They will notify you of the outcome and whether your shop will be unlocked. Remember, patience is key during this process. Good luck, and I hope you'll be back to selling soon.